Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to save passwords on Microsoft Edge. So I was using Microsoft Edge the other day and realized I kept retyping the same login details over and over again, which honestly gets annoying fast. So I decided to set up password saving properly. I opened a browser, clicked the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and went into settings where all the security and autofill options are stored. Then I found the passwords and autofill section and open Microsoft Password Manager. And from there, I turn on the option that asks Edge to save passwords and passkeys whenever I log in into a website, which basically means the browser will now automatically prompt me to store login details instead of ignoring them. And I also noticed there's a manual option where you can add passwords yourself by entering the website, username, and password if needed. And once everything was set up, it instantly started working across sites, making logins much faster and more convenient while still keeping everything stored securely inside the browser instead of relying on memory or sticky notes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.